Hello everyone, today we'll be discussing about Google Page Speed Insights API. Now the first thing is why actually you need a Google Page Speed API. I mean, yes, Google do have, like, Google can simply show that from Page Speed Insights tool, which you can simply search from Google, right? But the thing is, no. What if you have just launched a new campaign and you want to check what is the Page Speed Insight? So the thing is that until Google have a supplemental index copy of your website, Google cannot show a real-time page speed insight from the page speed insight tool. In that case, you need to run an API to get the information. So this is very much handy if you just rolled out a new website which is yet to be indexed. So this API can really come handy for you guys. So come, let us find out how to make this work. So you can simply create a credential on Google Cloud API, and with the help of the API key, you can get an API key, as you can see from the screen, and then you can search Google Page Speed API. You will get the Page Speed API as shown here, which is also public API, so anyone can use that. And then this is the Python code. If any one of you wants that, so just put down the comment. I'll share the code for you guys, so you can simply copy and paste this code, and then here are some of the key parameters which can be found from your page speed. So FCP will give you the first contentful paint, FID will give you the first input delay, LCP will give you the largest contentful paint, CLS will give you the cumulative layout shift, and so on. So this is how the output would look like, which you can run on your Python console, and that console should have your API key with that. So guys, like, this is a very simple step that you can use to calculate or figure out what is your real-time page speed insights by the help of a very simple yet effective API. Very much handy if you just rolled out a new website and you want to test to make it live, or you want to test to give an initial report to your client. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.